If you're trying to decide if you want to get an electronic diamond painting pen, I'm here to help you out. I'm going to demonstrate it for you. I'm going to let you hear just the noise, and then we're going to see how it works. I like that it's this really pretty pink. So let's check out the supplies it comes with. Firstly, it comes with the little plastic knobs so that it doesn't slide around. And it comes with an actual plug, which literally never happens anymore. That's fantastic. And fairly decent length. Not terribly short. I like that. You have to be near an outlet, but you don't have to be tied to an outlet. You cannot plug it in until you're ready to use it because there's no on and off switch. 2 hoses, decent length, not terribly long, but definitely not too short. And I like this little carrying bag. Inside the bag, what do we have? What treasures await? We've got 2 of these. These are some kind of filters. And then we have 3 pins. 3 different pins. Very nice. This appears to be just your normal average plasticky pen. These are metal and they're pretty good, solid pens and very cute. Let's see if this fits in there. It does. You can put it all in a bag. Fantastic. Score. Okay, let's set it up now. On this end, we have 2 little ports. The instructions are very clear. You go right there. Easy peasy. These tubes are easy to work with. They're thin and flexible, so sliding them up onto this, extremely easy. This is not challenging whatsoever. I think that just about anybody would be able to slide that up there. So if your hands get sore or you have arthritis, I don't think you're going to be affected by that because it's very flexible. Quite unusual in a task like this to be this flexible. I recently saw someone using both hands to diamond paint. I think I'm going to try it. I don't think I'm going to succeed, but it'll be fun to try. And then connect it on that end. Let's see if it will also work with this. Technically, it probably does. Hey, let's give that a try, just in case you don't like the metal. Maybe you prefer the plastic. On the plastic, you can always put one of these on there. So if you prefer that, you're not gonna be able to get one of those on here. This is a little project I'm working on. Whoop, some of my diamonds. 2 diamonds right there. 3, maybe it's going everywhere. I'm gonna pour some out on the table because I don't have a tray handy. This did not come with a tray, be aware. That's fine. I'm just going to pour a few out there on the table. This is a little bookmark. Going to give it a try. That's as loud as it is. 2 pins, almost can't hear it. Wow, that could not be more quiet. I'm impressed. Okay, let's try both pins. Let's start with the one that I made just to see if it even works. It works. Fantastic. Exactly like the wax pen does, it just drops right on there because this is sticky. The suction isn't going to keep it from sticking onto sticky. Even when you pick it up, listen to how quiet it is. The sound level barely changes. So even the way I fixed it like this made it work. Let's see if it can pick up the bookmark. No, not enough pressure to do that, probably because of the way I fixed it. Let's move on to the actual pen. It feels really nice and comfortable as compared to this one. This feels really nice in my hand because it's bigger and it has the little indentation right there where your fingers go. It feels great. So if your hands get sore, you might try getting a bigger pen to see if that helps you. Perfection. This is perfection. It's quiet. It works perfectly. It's comfortable. The only thing I don't like about it is this cord is getting in my way. I'm gonna have to figure out what's the most comfortable for the cord not to keep hitting me like that. I had it like this, where the cord was on the inside. That's bumping me and I don't like that a bit. So maybe putting it on the outside will be better. Look at that. No sound difference. That's blowing me away. That's so fantastic. Let's see if it's strong enough to pick up the bookmark. No, it isn't. But it doesn't need to be. You only need to use it to pick up diamonds. This is fantastic. I give this 9 out of 10 stars only because the hose keeps hitting me. Really, that's user error, and I've just got to figure out what's going to work best. You could tie it off with a bread tie or a ponytail, something. There's going to be some easy solution to make it not annoy me. And maybe it won't annoy you at all. If you are looking for a waxless pen, you've got to get this one. I don't know why you would need 2 pen holders. I mean, really and truly. Oh, I said I was going to try it with 2. Okay, I'm going to keep my word. Let's see if both sides of my brain can work at the same time. But my brain barely works with just one side going. Okay, we ready? Yeah, no. That feels like it's going to take 10 times longer than just doing it with my right hand because I'm right-handed, not left-handed. So anyways, I don't know why you would need to, but if you do it with your family, if you've got a best friend, if one of your kids wants to come along, pretty handy to have the extra one right there. Let's see if the noise changes when you do two. I'd say no. This is the quietest. I'd be hard pressed to find a quieter one than this. I have two other ones, and this is the quietest of the three that I've tried. Pretty incredible. I think I just made your decision for you.